anyone that's watching this video is struggling with their hair, you don't like the way your hair looks, your hair is damaged, whatever you do is not working, you cannot get it right, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you the fastest way to get your hair to a healthier state, you may not want to hear this, is to cut off the damage, okay? I know that you might not want to hear it. I know that you might not want to do it, but hear me out. Hear me out and listen to what I'm going to say. So you already been trying everything, right? You've been trying everything. You've been doing everything that you know how to do. You've been deep conditioning. You've been, doing your protein treatments. You've been doing everything that you can think of that you can do, right? Okay. But your hair's still not thriving. It's still breaking off. It's still not where you want to be. No matter how much you deep condition your hair or do all these treatments, if you have hair that's damaged, that needs to go, two things gonna happen, okay? Either you gonna go ahead and get rid of that part that needs to go, okay? Or you're not gonna do anything and it's gonna break off and your hair is gonna just continue to get worse anyway. And you're gonna get more frustrated trying to solve the problem and it's not solving itself. And really, if you go ahead and get yourself a good trim or a good cut, it might be less damage than you actually think. And you might not have to cut off as much as you actually think that you have to cut. But I kid y'all not, every time I have gotten a trim or every time I've cut my hair feels so much healthier and so much better, especially if my hair was really damaged and there was a lot of it that was just damaged, especially, if you have thin hair and you're trying to get it thicker, cutting it will definitely help you, and I don't want to make it seem like I just want everyone to cut their hair, because that's not the case. My goal is to have long hair, and I know a lot of people want longer and healthier hair, but sometimes the fastest way to your goal or to something is to kind of take a step back and go backtrack a little bit. And I think that's the same thing with hair, is that sometimes, if you've been trying something for so long, it's not working, nothing you do is not working, you still don't like the way your hair looks, it's thin, it's damaged, whatever the case may be, sometimes you just have to pull back and take a step back and start over or start something new. And every time I've cut my hair has felt just so much thicker, my hair has felt so much healthier, and it grew back really fast. So I'm not saying you have to cut like 3 inches or a lot off, but I would definitely try to cut as much off as you can that makes you still feel good about yourself. And this is not just for everybody. This is for the people who their hair is damaged, they don't like the way their hair looks, and everything they tried is not working and they want to give up. This is for those people, okay? Not to get it confused. But I promise you, once you get that dead hair cut off, that damaged hair cut off, and you're able to start over at a better place, it's going to be a lot easier to do your hair. You're going to notice your hair feels healthier, it looks healthier, and you're probably going to get a lot more motivation to take better care of your hair because of that. And it'll also be a good point for you to kind of start over as well with your routine and reassess everything that you're doing, buy some new stuff, buy some new products, buy some new tools, and just kind of start over and get everything in order. And I promise your hair will grow back faster than you thought it would, and it'll feel and look a lot healthier as well. So that was just my tip. This is something that you can do to literally help your hair look and be healthier overnight. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tidbit, and let me know down below what are some other videos that you want to see from me. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.